What's up YouTube? Genie here, back at it again, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video, I will be walking you through what happened in terms of my last trade in Binance Futures and how I lost and got liquidated and how much did I lose. And I would also like to tell you the main reason for this video is that if you're new into getting into Binance Futures and you are still learning the ropes on how you are going to start investing here in cryptocurrency trading, guys, the hardest part is not really the technical analysis like movement average, RSI, support, resistance, and all those good stuff. It's not that. The hardest part for me is that how well are you going to cope with all the losses that you've made in cryptocurrency. Like, how well are you going to take the hit? Say, for example, you lost $200, you lost 300, 400, 500, or bigger than that, right? And I'm pretty sure, guys, that those professional traders have also, on a regular basis, experienced hits. But they are experienced enough to analyze and manage the risk, or the risk management per se. And that's actually what we need to learn as we move along. Like, it's okay for you to start off like in Binance Futures per se. Like, say, for example, let me transfer that here and move off to the other side. That way you will see that here, what I did was that I switched the leverage to 20 times. So I also did technical analysis on like what's happening, what the trend is. Is the market bullish? Is it on an uptrend? Learning that those like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, like the candlesticks and all those good stuff, the resistance, the support, where it's going to bounce off. Like, say, for example, has already reached its resistance and then it's time for it to go down. Which part would be a good entry point, right? Now, and sometimes, even if you have fully analyzed the charts, the odds will not always go to your favor. That's crypto, that's stock trading in general. So it's okay. If you are watching this and you have also suffered a loss, like you lost $100, $200, $300 or more, I mean, that's part of learning and that's part of crypto. What matters is, at the end of the day, you have more winnings than losses. If you are going to start off in Binance Futures and basically in crypto trading, if you're going to be spot trading, start small, okay? Practice. There are a lot of tutorials. I will also be creating tutorials and like how you would be interpreting what is this order book, what are the Binance insurance available, like the liquidation and insurance funds. I will also create a content about that in very soon. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you are a professional trader, what is your recommendation? What is your suggestion to the beginners and the ones that would like to venture into crypto trading, specifically with Binance Futures? All right, so let's get into this, guys. Let me show you. This is actually one message or one SMS message that you would not like to receive. Okay, so it's saying that the margin ratio of your GMT/USD, that is the one that I used. So this one right here is in your Binance USDM futures account, has reached 80%. To avoid being liquidated, please transfer assets to your USDM futures. So it's saying that I'm already 80% of the funds or the investment that I placed in my Binance Futures for this position. Okay, now I just ignored that because what I have invested is something that you can afford to lose, right? Okay, so this is my threshold. I'm not going to lose any more than that. So I'll just take the hit if ever, just like what happened here. Now, the next message that I got is that the GMT USD position in your USDM futures account has already been liquidated. So it has taken the entire investment that I placed in the GMT USDT position that I did. And let me show you the history. So you could see your histories of the trades that you've done. So here, guys, see liquidation. I did a take profit here, and then I entered here at this part. So 2.74 was when I entered, and then 2.63 001 was the liquidation point that I had. Okay, so because this position that I did here is 20, which means that there is a big chance that you will earn a lot from this trade if the odds went to your favor, if the trade that you did was correct. Like say for example, if you're buying long, and which I did here, so if it went or if it increased the price like 5%, if I am doing a 20 leverage, then that 5% will be multiplied by 20. Okay, so if that has happened, that will be a good amount of money. But what happened was, I placed a $20 or 20x or 20 times leverage, but then again, the odds is against me, so I lost at that point, 2.63. Again, guys, if you're new, this is something that you will definitely encounter. So this can be a learning experience for you. It was a learning experience for me. I would still continue and try to learn more from the experts. And I hope that you do too. If you're new to my channel, guys, you can go ahead and comment what you think about this Binance Futures. If you're a professional trader, again, we would appreciate your inputs, your insights on how we can improve how to trade here in Binance Futures. All right, so that's it for now. Again, I will be creating a content about liquidation and insurance funds, so stay tuned with that. I hope you would subscribe and click that bell. That way, when I upload this, you would be notified. That way, you'll be able to check it out and see what you can learn out of that content. All right, I will see you on the next, guys. I'm out. Peace. This channel does not promote nor tolerate any illegal activities. This channel is intended to be used and must only be used for informational and/or entertainment purposes only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances. I am not a financial advisor nor an expert in this field, and I highly encourage that you do your own research or seek a professional for financial advice.